This is the GK class, and today I am going to tell you sounds of animals and birds. You know, kids, the animals have their own way of talking and communicate each other. You don't believe me? Let's wait and watch. Take out the GK book. Open it, page number 1 to 12. Sounds of animals and birds. The goat bleats. The donkey brays. The horse neigh. The crow caws. The cock crows. The sparrow chirps. The monkey chatters. The cow mows. The lion roars. The cat mews. The dog barks. All right. Come to the board. Let's start it. Sounds of animals and birds. D-O-G, dog. Dog says barks. B-A-R-K-S, barks. C-A-T, cat. Cat says mews. M-E-W-S, mews. C-O-W, cow. Cow says mows. M-O-O-S, mows. G-O-A-T, goat. Goat says bleats. B-L-E-A-T-S, bleats. Lion. L-I-O-N, lion. Lion says roars. R-O-A-R-S, roars. Monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. Monkey says chatters. C-H-A-T-T-E-R-S, chatters. Cock. C-O-C-K, cock. Cock says crows. C-R-O-W-S, crows. Sparrow. S-P-A-R-R-O-W, sparrow. Sparrow says chirps. C-H-I-R-P-S, chirps. Let's repeat one more time. Dog says barks. Cat says mews. Cow says mows. Goat says bleats. Lion says roars. Monkey says chatters. Cock says crows. Sparrow says chirps. Alright, kids, this work write down in your GK notebook and learn sounds of animals and birds with spelling. Thank you.